Hot melt adhesives. Types, applications, and properties. This video will take an in-depth look at hot melt adhesives. You will learn principle of hot melt adhesives, manufacturing and properties of hot melt adhesives, types of hot melt adhesives, applications, uses, and advantages of hot melt adhesives, performance, cost, and function of hot melt adhesives, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principle of hot melt adhesives. Defining hot melt adhesives. Key raw materials in hot melt adhesives. Role of polymers in hot melt adhesives. Influence of resins in hot melt adhesives. The role of waxes in hot melt adhesives. The use of antioxidants in hot melt adhesives. Plasticizers in hot melt adhesives. Chapter 2. What are the manufacturing processes and properties of hot melt adhesives? How hot melt adhesives are manufactured. Properties of hot melt adhesives. Viscosity. Molten color. Peel strength. Failure temperature. Softening point. Substrate-specific adhesion. Thermal stability. Cold crack formation. Loop tack. Mechanical properties. Substrates suitable for hot melt adhesives. Chapter 3. What are the different types of hot melt adhesives? Ethylene vinyl acetate adhesives. Polyethylene adhesives. Metallocene adhesives. APAO or amorphous polyalpha olefins adhesives. Polyamides adhesives. Frequently asked questions. What are the main components of hot melt adhesives and their functions? How are hot melt adhesives manufactured for industrial applications? Which industries and substrates benefit most from hot melt adhesives? What distinguishes EVA, metallocene, APAO, polyethylene, and polyamide hot melts? How can hot melt adhesive properties such as viscosity and thermal stability impact production processes? Can hot melt adhesives be tailored for specific regulatory or performance needs? Chapter 4. What are the applications, uses, and advantages of hot melt adhesives? Applications and uses of hot melt adhesives. Electronics. Automotive industry. Medical devices. Paper packaging. Transportation. Sports and fashion. Food and beverage industry. Woodworking and furniture. Bookbinding. Packaging. Hot melt spray applications. Poor coverage. Bleed through. Poor intermittent performance. Hot melt slot coating applications. Hot melt bead and line applications. Advantages of hot melt adhesive. Chapter 5. How do performance, cost, and function compare in hot melt adhesives? Tapes and labeling hot melt adhesives. Packaging hot melt adhesives. Graphic arts hot melt adhesives. Hot melt adhesive cleaners. Automotive lamp PUR adhesive. Mattress assembly adhesive. Bookbinding adhesive. Underwear laminating adhesive. Woodworking wrapping adhesives. Woodworking flat laminating adhesive. High gloss PVC laminating adhesive. Transparent box laminating adhesive. Electronic assembly adhesive. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right hot melt adhesive manufacturer for your needs.